Mini farm wheel loader ZL30 with CE, RAPS and FOPS certificate. Driving by Deutz WP6G125E22, 92 kW, 3 cylinders, joystick operation. Manual floating function, 4x4 drive, heater inside cabin, 220 volts engine. It work with pallet fork, snow blade, snow bucket, rock bucket, grapple wood fork. Mixing bucket, sand bucket, sweeper, grass holder, grapple bucket, snowblower, etc. It is mainly used to shovel bulk materials such as soil, sand, lime, coal, etc. Also used in highway, railway, construction, hydropower, port and construction projects.